Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishant from LPM school. In this video, we are discussed about the revision of chapter 1, that is matter in our surrounding. So, first thing is that to came in our mind, that is matter. So matter that we can define easily, that is anything that have occupy a space and have some volume, that is called matter. Even from this chalk and from this whole room and the particle of these chalks is contained, have some volume and occupy some space in this universe. So the matter, which is defined as the matter, is anything that have occupy space and have some mass and volume, that is called matter. It can be studied in the different manner. It can be divided into different states for the study, that is solid, liquid and gas. You are already familiar from the solid, liquid, gas. Let's check roughly, that is, if you consider that matter that is solid, that is liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Now, taking the 1 point of that, it have fixed shape and size. Shape, size and volume. It have strong IMF, that is intermolecular force. That is intermolecular force. If you see that is one molecule, another molecule, another molecule, another molecule. So the whole molecule are combined to each other by strong force of attraction, and that's why they have fixed shape, size and volume. And apart from that, they also, due to the strong intermolecular force of attraction between them, they have rigid. The solid are rigid and incompressible. And now another aspect of the solid, that is high density. So these are the basic things of the characteristics of the solid state of matter. For example, chair, man, or any solid part of the matter. So, solid have fixed shape, size and volume, strong force of attraction, intermolecular force of attraction. Due to the strong intermolecular force of attraction, they are rigid, incompressible and high density. So, in this way, we can consider that the another state of matter, that is solid, liquid. So another aspect of solid, that is regular arrangement of molecule. Regular arrangement of molecule. So the regular arrangement of molecule has been seen in the solid state of matter, because due to the strong force of attraction between their solid molecules, and they have regular geometry due to the regular arrangement of molecule. Now let's see the liquid state of matter. There is a loose arrangement, loose arrangement of molecule, of loose loosely arrangement of molecule, and they are regarded as, suppose it is a container and it is a liquid molecule. Liquid molecule. So these are the liquid molecule. They are space between them. So in this way we can consider that there is a low intermolecular force of attraction between the liquid molecule, and they are only compressible and very and low density, and there is a no shape and size. It can be take the volume of the container in which we contain it. अगर हम किसी भी लिक्विड को किसी कंटेनर में कंटेन करते हैं तो वो उस कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है. सो इट ऑक्यूपाइज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर इन विच वी कंटेन. सो example of liquid, you are very familiar from the example of liquid, that is all liquid that belonging to the loose arrangement of the molecule, or that is intermolecular force of attraction. Now gas, there is a no fixed shape, size and volume due to the no intermolecular force of attraction, and apart from that there is a no density. There is a maybe low or very low density, and another thing of highly compressible, and also they are intermixed. They are gases are intermixed together very high, very intensively, and that why the two gases are mixed rapidly, because there is a lot of intermolecular space between them, that is gaseous molecule. Now we will take another characteristic feature of the matter. Now, particulate nature of the matter. The first particulate nature of the matter, the particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them. Suppose you have a beaker and mark them and fill with water and mix some amount of sugar. It is a water. So after addition of some amount of sugar into this water molecule, the and marking with the level of water. Marking with the level of water. Level of water. ये लेवल है वाटर का, water, and you have added some amount of sugar. Now you will see there is after dissolution the sugar particles into the water, there is a no volume. The level of water get raised from the level of water before the dissolving the sugar into the beaker. On this basis, we can say that the molecule of water have a space between them. The space of water molecule is occupied by the sugar particles. Sugar particles. So, in the sugar solution, there is no raising volume after dissolution the sugar particles into the water. There is no raising volume of water after dissolving the sugar particles. So the sugar particles are occupying the space of the remaining space of the liquid particles. So in this way we can say that the particles of matter, the matter may be solid, liquid और गैस. सॉलिड में कोई भी आप शुगर के पार्टिकल किसी भी पार्टिकल को डिसॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्पेस फाउंड बिटवीन द सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द मैटर. मैटर के सॉलिड फॉर्म के पार्टिकल में कोई स्पेस न होने की वजह से उसमें कोई अनदर पार्टिकल्स उसके स्पेस में ऑक्यूपाई नहीं कर सकता. ऑक्यूपाई तभी करेगा जब उसको स्पेस मिलेगा. नाउ वी कैन कंसीडर दैट in this way we can consider the particles of matter have a space between them. Now another that is particles of matter, that is particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Suppose this is a room and here is a incense stick are burning. The incense stick और worship sticks, पूजा बत्ती जो है आप चलाते हो कहीं घर के एक कॉर्नर पे, तो पूरे रूम में जो प्लेजेंट स्मेल है, प्लेजेंट स्मेल get spread over the room because here is a maximum concentration of the pleasant fume and here is a lower concentration. So there is a diffusion in the whole room, and the fume particles of the pleasant smell or pleasant fume of the incense stick is burning. These are spread over the room and it feels pleasant on this corner, on even this all corners. So we can say that at the one corner of the room the burning incense sticks is this pleasant fume is spread over the room due to the diffusion, and this pleasant smell spread in the whole part of the room, and this is so that the particles of matter is continuously moving. So there the particles are move are high concentration of the pleasant smell, here is a low concentration. अब यहां से हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की तरफ मूव कर रहा है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफ्यूजन. दिस डिफ्यूजन कैन शो द फिनोमेना ऑफ particles of matter matter are particles of matter are continuously moving.